Welcome everyone, welcome on the stream. So let's start today's analysis and today's trades. Let's start with dollar index. We have this liquidity swipe and then we are waiting for the market structure shift here. This will come here. Once we get a market structure shift, we can expect to get our mass thunder fair gap and we can take an entry. Before that, we have this USD JPY trade and we can also make you get trades on GBP USD, but for that we will need a liquidity swipe first to get a trade on GBP USD to the upside. We have our dollar index going up. We want to see a comeback to the inversion fair value gap, and that will make the market to come back at the mass block in the USD JPY, and that will be our entry. So let's see if we get filled in or not. Well, the market moved all the way half more than the halfway without it taking us into the entry. Just hoping for the market to fall and take us in and get to the TP. Let's look at XAUSD. The XAUSD is still falling, and I have no idea whether up to where it can fall to or melt down. But USD JPY should come down at least up to this level to take our entry. I mean, it didn't even come back with a little. GBP has taken the sell side liquidity. Now we can expect for the market to go up. If the GBP rises up, then only and then only we can expect for the other pairs to come down. I hope this is not going to be a market structure shift for GBP. It will continue to the bull side. USD JPY still at the same place, waiting for pullback to take an entry to the upside. I don't see the scenarios where it can come down anymore. We have liquidity resting above here. A large pool of liquidity is resting above here. I just hope that the market falls down to the mass block, because the DXY also needs to come back to this inversion fair value gap to get above again. And at the same time, looking at the GBP we might get a market structure shift on the gold index as well. If not on the gold, but on the GBP for sure, we will get a market structure shift. Let's take a trade on GBP as well. Let's add it. Metals forex GBP. USD chart. Here it is. But the scenario that it will continue to higher, it is very less likely because this needs to fall only to this level, and then it will bounce back to the upside. The same scenario will unfold in the dollar index, where it will fall to the inversion fair value gap, and then it will move up. The GBP USD has given us, not till now, a body candle closer above. If it gives a body candle closer above, then we will take along with 1 is to 1:5 ratio, not much more than that. Let's look at USD JPY. Well, USD JPY is falling as predicted. We will just risk $50 on this trade. We will do buy limit, stop loss below the previous candles. Yes, this is okay. TP1 is to 4 is acceptable. Let's see. Let's buy limit. Let's see if we get filled in or not. We have this thunder FVG, and we are aiming for just, did we get filled in? Not yet. Let's look at USD JPY. It is not coming down. GBP USD, we are not filled in yet. We should have been filled in by now. Just a little bit more. It has come all the way down, but on the this chart, yes, so we are filled in. So we got filled in all the way here. Our stop loss is somewhere here, and we are looking for 1 is to 4. 1 is to 4 we are looking for. USD JPY must be going higher. Dollar index must be okay. So the dollar index, if we lose this trade, then we will get an anti trade for sure. We will also get an anti trade if we lose this trade. uh, it should be going up. It should have been going up by now. DXY DXY is moving up to this inversion fair value gap, and now it will turn up to the bull side. I mean, it will turn to the bearish side now. USD JPY, thank God, will risk just a little, not more than that. Now we wait for this market structure shift. and then we can take a sell as well. USD JPY went up all the way up where it came to. It didn't even come back to the entry point, and that's the sad part. We have lost $50, $48 in the trade. For $58, $10 was commission. Okay, so we also lose commission on this uh, FX pairs. This is our first loss. Let's look at gold. The gold is steady and it hasn't given any kind of fake outs or something like that. Liquidity swipe. Now we wait for market structure shift. That has happened already. I think the market will go up bull side and DXY USD JPY will fall. Still think the market can go up. But I will not get into any impulse entry now. Let's look at gold. Where is gold? Here it is. It's zero point 0.1 entry to the long. Is that only if XUSD falls? It's, let's let it come. Take control of the upside. Stop loss below this. Exit. TP will be all the way to up here. $27. Let's look at gold now and mark our entry, exit, and TP. I hope this doesn't get to a loss again. This is our entry, this is our exit, and TP is all the way to this top. So this is 1:6 trade right now. USD JPY is falling, but we won't have the required margin to enter into this trade. So this trade will most likely not work out. We got our market structure shift. Let's see if we get the market structure shift here. The market really becomes slow and steady at the places of market structure shift. We entered the trade with the hope of this fair value gap. So yeah, we have a market structure shift now. we entered quite late, but I'm just hoping this will give a good trade. This one is to 6 trade. The trade is going good, so I will like to take this trade on my prop sub trader account. Tick pledge. Desktop. Let's look at USD JPY if it is coming down. Yes, the USD JPY is coming down, so GBUSD must be going up. Excess gold is quite slow right now, but it has to be quite fast. The way it is falling, the dollar index, the gold had to be uh, leading asset right now. But the gold is being manipulated to go lower. We have lost like $58, that is $48 in loss and $10 in commissions. So $58 is our loss, and we hope to cover this that loss in this trade plus have some profits. Let's look at USD JPY. The USD JPY is being held up at this place for some reason. The JPUSD has come up again. So I'm logged into my Tick Place account. It takes a lot of resources, but it is fine.
Connected. Connected.
should we do a market buy and stop loss here? Yes, that would be good. Buy market. Yes,
Position open. Order
we will
filled.
we will have a sell stop here. Sell stop,
Order pending.
and we will come out at this place. Sell limit 4.
Order pending.
So the gold has come back to the its initial position. I'll take this trade. I'll take this trade on this account as well.
Position open. Order filled.
This will be stop. Sell stop 4,
Order pending.
and will this will be sell limit 4.
Order pending.
Let me show this overlay to the window capture. Window capture. Okay. PICKVLSZE plays. So there is no way I can capture the tick place, then cancel it and delete this. Let's open window capture PICKVLSZE tick place. Okay, here we are okay. So let me put this all the way to here and see this state. I hope you can see my tick place chart as well, and both tick place and MT5 might be visible right now. I hope that. Yes, here it is. Here we go. The tick place and the MT5 both are visible, and we are in profits right now. If to say we need $67 per day, but we will get more than that. That is for sure.
Order modified.
The market will take a boost up to the upside. It is 1 is to 5 target. We have low target on the Tiki Blaze app. We have entered late on the Tick Blaze, so that is can be one good thing. That can be a problem. We don't have free chart movement in the tick blaze. That's a bad. That's one bad thing. Let's look at the other. On the other chart, we are in $727 in profit. That is good. We are here at the stop loss. The stop loss is here.
Order
Our
modified.
our mm, our thunder block is here. So we are good, and we are going. We are in the macro time frame now, and let's see how the market behaves during this macro time frame. I'm hoping for big moves to the upside. The macro time frame of the first 5 minutes of the macro time frame has ended, and now the next 5 minutes of the macro time frame has begun, and the hourly candle will close in just 5 minutes. So let's see what kind of candle will it uh, provide on the price chart. We are trading like three accounts right now. Actually, three accounts, three funded accounts, two prop sub trader funded account, and one wealth or funded account. Something is holding prices to the lower side and not letting it go up high, and the volume is really low right now. I think we have finally started to move up from this consolidation. We have 3 more minutes to the hourly candle closer, and then we will have a new hourly candle. I think we should move up by now. Yes, this is the type of candle I was waiting for. This is exactly the type of candle I was waiting for this time. And these are the types of candles I want to see right now. 1 4. Let's see what is the let of 1 3. 1 3 is at 100 and something dollar in profit. Okay. STJPY we never came to touch the entry prices again. We are moving up, and that's a good thing. We might cover the losses very soon. That is $58 in losses. We might cover that very soon. On the tick plays, we are in good profits. I have $12,000 and drawdown remaining in 514. Let's see. I have $900 remaining drawdown amount in 5213. We have already passed the today everyday days uh, profit amount, but we will hold the long till we can get to our TP or at least $400 in profit. So we can take off four four macros off, and then we will have $200 in profit. We are at $200 and something in profit right now. We will reach our target very soon, and then I will close the tick place, and we will uh, get over to yeah, trading view again. The GPUSD is still lagging. The XUSD is moving, and that is what I was expecting. Not like this. Should I go break even? Not so soon. Our profit target is somewhere here at 47.67. We are just 100 pips away from that. That is 100 ticks, and we are $28 in the profit today right now. So we are in the new hourly candle. 3 minutes. We from the 3 minutes we are in the new hourly candle, and let's see how it prints on the price chart. I hope this comes to be a bullish candle. Yep, the market is going bullish right now, but we can't say anything. This candle ended up as doji, but we are winning. That's all that matters. I can still close those two trades on the tick days and still complete the profit target of the day, or I say for the day. But I will hold because I don't want to close early. But one thing I can do is that I can go break even. I can go break even like this on both the
Order
accounts.
modified.
I can go break even like this,
Order modified.
and now I don't have to worry about losing the trade. Let's see how the hourly candle is printing on MT5. The hourly candle is printing quite good, and we are in the bull zone. Yes, we are in the bullish momentum, and we have a very good entry on UXA USD. A really good entry and exit we are having. So let's just wait and watch market turn out, how the market will turn out this hourly candle into a bullish candle, or we will go down to give a wick, but we will most likely uh, move up from here. We are $10 in profit on the wealth of 100 account. The market is trying to go bullish. We have also created an ascending triangle right now on the 1 minute time frame, and which is invalidated right now. We are in the last 4 minutes of the macro time frame. I was really expecting that the market will go to some big movements, but it did not. But at least we are in profits on all the accounts across all the forms. So we have disconnected from the let's view. Let me try to connect the let's view again. So it's connected again. Let me cast it on the view cast. Okay, I think it's visible now. We are at the opening price of the April 2nd. That's why it's taking too long to get above that, and we will soon cross this price level as well. and move to the upside. We are $263 in profit on the prop sub trader account, and I think I can take a partial still, but I will take a partial when we hit $400. Mm-hmm. The day it is last minute of the macro time frame, and let's see how it turns out. The market is still moving up in our direction. We are winning or what? We are winning. Again, we are winning. And that's all that matters. Let's look at USD JPY and see if it has come to the our entry point. Now USD JPY still is not has yet not come to our entry. XA USD is moving properly to the upside, and we might get a big candle from here to the bull side. As soon as we get $400 here, I will close two positions, two macros, and let the rest of the trade run. We must be at $1,000. No, we have still not hit $1,000. So we are out of the macro time frame now, and now let's see how the market will print on the price chart. We have completed our target of $1,000 in profit, but we will hold here. We will close two macros, and as soon as we get $400, but at
Order
first
cancelled.
let's do two here.
Order modified.
Let's do two here
Order modified.
and sell market two. Yes,
Order filled.
let's do the same on the other account. If we are in $400 in profit, yes, we are. Let's do two here.
Order modified.
Let's do two here.
Order modified.
Sell market two. Yes.
Order filled.
So now let me move the stop loss to all the way up here,
Order modified.
and this as well. Let's move the stop loss all the way up here.
Order modified.
Now we are waiting for the profit, for the market to hit out of profits. We have realized profit of $200 for the day on 5214 account, and 236 on 5213 account. Uh, Till now, we are having a great ACS session. That's why I started early today because I knew the market will give a model today every day early. Every day market gives out my model very early in the morning in the Indian timing or very early in oh, it's not early in evening in the USA. It's quite midnight right now. So in the India, according to Indian time, the market gives my model very early in the morning. So that's why I woke up early and sat and started the stream early today. I will also be looking for this USD JPY trade. I hope this trade will go as planned as well. But right now we are in this gold trade, which is going in our favor because we have covered the profit target for the day, and even if we hit stop loss, that is traced off the break even, we are good to go. And by the way, we are above the uh, our target of payout, that is $1,000. If we win that USD JPY trade, then we will be to at 2,000 profit. I'm still hoping for big green candles. That is not coming up already. Still hoping for very big green candles. Let me trace the SL and 75 as well to $58 here. Modify, so we can cover the losses for the day, that is $58 in losses. I have traced the SL to like $5 in profit. $5 in profit. Let's see, let me view on the trading view gold chart what is happening right now. So we have surpassed the opening price of the 2nd April, and we are moving to the opening price of the day. So it will be fast from here. It will be quite fast from here. And I have not yet not taken my breakfast, so I also have to go to and take my breakfast. I will take a break from after this trade from the trading, just for 5 minutes or 10 minutes or probably 15 minutes. That's the most. But the stream will stay open. But I will not be hosting it. We should see big green candles right now to the upside. we have again created the ascending triangle pattern on 1 minute time frame on USD, sorry, dollar index, sorry, dollar, gold, and we should be getting an impulse move again to the upside. So we are in a profit of maybe $200, only $139 right now. Our balance is 890 and we are in profits of some good. We are in a really good profit. The gold gives less profit, whereas USD JPY gives higher profit. And also I can open higher lots sizes on USD JPY. We will complete the profit target on the take place, that is prop sub trader account, very soon. That's not a good candle. Bad candle. Bad. This is bad candle. We shouldn't have got this. The candle should have gone up. Like really up. To the bull side. But we are like one fourth quadrant of the hour. And the market is going against us. Oh no. We will hit hairstyle on the prop sub trader account. Oh sad. No worries at all. We have this fair value gap guarding our stop loss, and we also have taken a partial, so that is not a matter of worry at all. I hope the market doesn't melt down from here and won't and will not. We have kind of changed state of delivery, changed state of the market delivery, but we still have a lot of highways to go up. We still have a lot to go up. Let's look on the hourly time frame. We are we have we have almost covered the previous candle's body, so this can go down. But there was not any change in state of delivery, so there is a less likely chance that the market will change its delivery from buy side to sell side, and the chances of that is very low. I will move my SL as well to the $100 in profits, so I can have some. Why can't I move my profit? $90. Okay, This way we have kind of 30 and $2, $32 in profit after if we hit SL. After if we hit SL. Let's look at 15 minutes 50 seconds chart on prop subtrader account and see what is going under the hood. On the trading view, so it just tapped the previous end of and opening price of. It just came down to tap the opening price of April 2nd. So it should be we should be good to go right now, and the SL should not be triggered, and the market should not fall below this, and this fair value gap should also hold the
Order
prices to the
filled.
upside. Okay,
Position closed.
we got our position closed, but it still shows that we are in an open position. Why is that? Maybe on this account we got closed, so I have to close this, and we made a profit of
Order cancelled. Order filled.
daily PNL
Position
is
closed.
$800 on 5214 account, and this account daily PNL is $900.
Order cancelled.
I have remaining balance of 100 1000 in 5213 and 5114. I have 12,000 in remaining drawdown. That is sick, really sick. So I will let close this tick place account now because I have completed that profit target for the day, and we are now back at tick place. Let's close this. So now we are back at trading view, and let's go to USDJPY. So we have closed in profits. So we are in $43 in profit. Sorry, $33 in profit. Quite close to our target. Okay, let's come back to USDJPY chart, and we are uh, consolidating around the entry price, which is not good. We have nearly reached $100 in this trade. Look at GBUSD. It is also consolidating. Dollar index, has it come down? Well, the dollar index has come down to where it was supposed to come down, and it will go up. But I don't understand why is USD not did not come down. It it like stopped from this. Was this the valid mass block? Let me see. Now the valid mass block is this one. That is not one is that this one is not a valid mass block. Whatever the reason is, the market did not come below this, and I will take my time off for the 20 minutes. So I will come back very soon. Okay, so welcome back everyone. Hello, what sir? Hello, sir. What do you think about gold? Okay, the gold is going up. See, I told you the gold will go up. Sorry, my analysis was here. I was stopped out here. You can see the trade history at $91 in profit, and GBP USD might. I don't know what GBP USD. I had this lost trade on GBP USD, and I am still hoping for this trade on USD JPY. I have placed a limit order on both the accounts, funded accounts. Why is it showing the current information? I want to sign in. You can see there is a pending order here, but the market has created another mass block. So let's go with it. Let me delete this one. Delete. Okay. I am taking this risk on this account only. Why is it not going up? I not able to trade SL place buy. Do I have to access and put a TP? Why am I not able to trade this asset? Is there GSA crypto measures USD JPY? I want to take a trade, fucking trade, man. Come on. I want to take a trade here, man. Come on. I don't want to do a market entry on this account because if I don't place a sell in 30 seconds, my account will be breached. And I don't want to place any limit entry. Sorry, market entry. Yeah, shit, man. This is a city broker, the DFT. The next giveaway of 10k of giveaway of accounts will be after 20th of April. Well, this is the mass block. We are going to take an entry from here. This candle was our entry, but sadly I am not able to take any trades. I don't know why. I don't even have any losing trades for the day. I want to take an entry, man. Come on. Let's close and open this. Let's reopen this app. You go to USD chart. USD chart. The market is has very big upside potential right now. I have to place an entry at the all the way down here. Okay, let's place entry. I will modify it later. Okay, so where was our last entry? Our last entry was where is our SL right now? Let's modify this to be. I am not taking this trade if it is going lower than this. I want to take a trade from this mass block, the previous one. I still want to take a trade from here, stop loss all the way down here. 6, 7, 6.5, 6.34, $100 in stop loss. Less limit. Come on, come down, baby. Come down, baby. Come down. I think it will use that mass block and go above. I'm not being impulsive, but the market is the next giveaway is of a prop sub trader, bro. Instant 25k account futures. I I don't understand what will happen right now. I still want the market to drop down to this level, but this mass block has done the great job of keeping the prices up higher. I have 6 lots here, and on the Rosy Capital account, I have around like what is the I have like 7 lots. Not on this, but on this 7 lots means like $70 in 7 lots means $70 in commissions. Should I enter here? Because I think the market will just move up from here, and the potential to the upside is huge. But let's still wait. We have waited all the way up to this time. So let's just wait a little bit more. But we also have this mass block, and the entry for this mass block has been confirmed. Our stop loss is below this candle's low, and we aim for 1 is to 10, right? 1 is to 10 is far above. We can aim for 1 is to 6. Look at the let's look at dollar index. The dollar index has come all the way to I think it can still come back into this inversion fair value gap. I was anticipating when the market comes back at this inversion fair value gap, USD JPY will come all the way back to this mass block, but it did not. So I'm not going to be impulsive and get into this trade. So you don't think the market will come and type into this my price? It will go from the current price up. Let's see what happens. I was looking at when the market was DXY was here. I thought it will when the DXY comes down to the inversion fair value gap, the USD JPY as well will come down to this mass block. That's the SMT. That's the kind of SMT I use. I use the SMT or kind of in terms of models, not in terms of high and lows. That's why I my code is SMT. I use smart money tool or say smart money model SMM. Let's see if it taps back into our area or not. 7 lots in entry means $70 in what I say $70 in commissions. So I have to uh, pass the commissions as well. Dixie is not coming down, but it has a down, but it had a gap up open, and it is not going to fill the gap. We also have a market change in state of delivery here, market structure shift, so the market can go up from here, so that USD JPY as well can go up from here. But I'm still hoping for the market to come back and tap into our level. So should I enter a buy? Uh, I don't want to enter a buy right now. Yeah, I think you were right. The market is going up from my current price. This could have been a $600 worth of trade, but I had this model here, and I think the market came would. I thought the market would come down. The spreads on USD JPY is massive, man. Really, really massive. You sent a photo on USD JPY in Discord. Let me see. Well, your gold trade got lost. USD JPY. Where is your trade, bro? Yes, exactly. That is my trade that you have highlighted. But the market is not coming down to the area that we want to enter. Let's see if it happens that you have uh, shared on the Discord. Let's say funded traders. Has anyone else? Yes. So I have been funded with direct funded trader. Someone else has also been funded with direct funded trader. Someone named, the name is so big that it was not even was able to cover in the certificate. Amitra seen someone. One is me. New welcome. So someone is Japanese or Chinese has arrived in our server. Don't send charts on the general chat, Kazi. So your level is here as well. So why do you think that market will not come to my level? Your level is also here. We also market will take out this buy side, then it will type into this, then it will go up, something like that. But I think the market will come down first, take our entry, then go up. Let's see if this liquidity was swiped. Let's just wait and watch what happens. I have started the stream early today. I also traded a props of trader account successfully. Oh, my phone is not visible, right? Let's look at gold and see what is going on with gold. The gold nearly reached our target. We got stopped out here. We would have been a good profit right now if we had held into this trade. Let's look at US 100. It gives kind of good moves. It is moving higher and higher. That is that it has shattered everyone's expectation of going lower. GBP USD has started to consolidate. USD JPY is also in consolidation. Dollar index is coming lower, has come lower again, but USD JPY held. So I think the USD JPY will just come down and go up in one shot. But this mass block is holding the prices very well to the upside. Let's look at 15 minutes time frame, and here is our next liquidity. Our next liquidity is here, so we might aim for that as well. We have this uh, fair value gap. After that we have this liquidity, we can aim for that. We also have this sniper liquidity. Let's make it little bit of 4 pixels wide. Our stop loss is still safe. We might hold up to this sniper liquidity if we get an entry. I might do a little bit lower, $100. Yes, yes. So I've reached a whole 1% into this trade, and now the wait is only for the market to come down. It has again touched this fair value gap. Let's see if we target this sniper liquidity, then it will our we will have $2,700. If we target this one, we will have $3,100. But it will take whole day or maybe more than one day to go to that level. It can just go today. We are still at the opening price, right? We are still at the opening price. This order block is holding the prices up very nicely, and even our previous trade that we took for just for fun, not any real trade, just a virtual trade, was holding as well very well. We are just few points away from our entry. Sir, send your trades in also in Discord so that members can also take trades. Okay, bro. Let me copy this. It will come here, and it is something like that. Copy. Let me open Discord. Find performs. Yes, some people is always advertising here. I don't like that. Let's so SachinM trades trading floor. Anyone is hardly making any. Let's come back. Thanks for the suggestion, Afak Hussein. By the way, like the stream if you haven't still liked the stream and subscribe to the channel. Liking the stream really boosts my morale and my motivation and my confidence as well. Let's look at the dollar index. The dollar index has been coming down lower and lower, but the USD JPY is not willing to come lower than this order block. That is just some strange scenario right we are facing right now. We are in the new hourly candle. Let's see this how this hourly candle printed. This hourly candle was a doji. Next candle could come down. Let's remove this. And again, the market is moving from this order block to the upside. We have fair targets, but I still want the market to come down to this order block. Let's look at 30 minutes time frame. The 30 minutes time frame is high, low, high, low, high. The next high is coming very soon, like one, two, three, four candles. So we will get a new high very soon, like one, two, three, four candles to the upside, and that might take out this high. But still, I will stick to my plan, even if I don't get this trade right now. But I'm not going to FOMOing and get into this. I'm sure the market will come down, take out all the sell side liquidity from here, and then go up. If it was to go up from this one mass block, then it wouldn't have uh, taken this much of time to give people time to take entries to the long side. Thank you, Afek Hussein. Thanks for liking the stream. Now let's look at gold. Has it reached its target? Nah, the gold is has still not reached its target, but We got stopped out here. We would have been a good profit if we are not stopped out. GBP USD is doing a bad job as well. The Thunder OB is here, but it took our stop losses. Let's look at BTC USD. Let's look at daily time frame. So we are in the bull side right now. So we might be going to take out this high. Hourly time frame. We have this bull candle holding the prices higher, and I think it will be holding the prices up very well. 15 minutes time frame. We have a liquidity swipe. 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so we have a liquidity swipe and the mass block is here. And let's go back to 1 minute time frame. We want to see a swipe of this. Sorry, swipe of this liquidity. Is this a swipe of it? Yes, this is a swipe of another liquidity. So we have our Thunder OB, sorry, Thunder FBG here. Thunder FBG. Why is this called? We have a Thunder FBG here. We have our target all the way up to very up high side. Let's target for this high. The entry should have been here. Stop loss low Thunder fair value gaps, previous candle low, and TP all the way up to the here. This would be the trade for. Let's see if the market again decides to come down. This will be trade for US BTC USD. If anyone is trading crypto, but I'm not trading crypto right now. The SCS session is not good to trade in DX. That is Nasdaq. I have opened 7 lots, means $70 in $70 will take $70 will be my $70 will be my it took $10 in commission for 2 lots of GBP USD. So for 7 lots, it will take $35 in commission, plus if I lose then $100, then it will be $135 in loss. $35. So that's a big risk against a big profit target. Again, the market rejected from the same fair value gap. Sorry, same order block. I think the market will drop down very fast when it will drop, and the next mass block will catch it. But I'm afraid that my stop loss is quite small. It is accumulating like descending triangle. Can you see? The accumulation is like descending triangle, like this. A descending triangle type of accumulation is being held here, meaning the market will first take out the sell side liquidities, then it will go for the buy side, and that is something good in our favor. Let's start some music. Let me know if my voice and the music both are audible properly, that my voice is understandable and the music is uh, also very good to listen to. So we have a lot of accumulation yet to be accumulated. See, if we had entered here, we would have been like we would have been totally burned out of the psychology. That's the amount of time it is spending here. We would have been burned out. Well, I will close the stream in next 43 minutes, so I can prepare for the London session. Then after that, The market is accumulating a lot of orders right now. Really a lot of orders. A heck amount of orders are being accumulated here. A hell amounts of orders, like too much of orders. It is accumulating from like nearly 2 hours now. Yes, it is accumulating from nearly 2 hours. This the market will give very big impulsive moves whenever it starts to give, and from wherever it starts to give, the moves will be impulsive and very fast. I just hope it is not to the downside and my stop loss stays safe. Let's look at my entry. My entry is quite a bit lower than it should be, but it's okay. It's nearly 20 minutes in this hourly candle and it is still accumulating. It is engineering of liquidity for 2 hours, so the market will have a big impulse moves for sure. And the dollar index is as well is holding the prices up at this level very well. The market should be going up now in the dollar index as well. XAUSD has, I think, reached its target. Only if we had not traced the SL. GBP is accumulating as well, so I think GBP will go to the downside. Yep, GBP will have to go to the lower side if the USD JPU has to go to upside. But the accumulation says something otherwise. There is liquidity above, there is liquidity below, there is our order. The next 30 minutes candle will be more compressed. The more the compression, the higher will be the explosion. Come on, come down. I can't be patient for that long. Let's look at Euro USD. Let's look at USD, other USD pairs. USD Forex, USD JPY, USD Canadian. Do we have any mass block here? We don't. Let's look at USD CHF. The USD CHF is going down very well. Did it take out any? It's too much of USD JPY. the USD INR. Let as expected, the it is not even tradable. Who can trade this kind of market? This is sick, totally sick. It reached all the way up to 95 INR per USD. Why does no one trades USD INR? It should be also volatile. Maybe because forex is banned in India. What is USD CAD says? USD CAD has been moving lower without any accumulation. We will have this mass block in this USD CAD. If the market trades above this, then we will have a trade to the high side. Let's add. I will have to create an. There is news right now. What's the news? 830 unemployment claims in the Canadian. Let's look at Forex Factory. Yes, at 8:30 we have, but 8:30 a.m. But we are far away from the news right now. If the market closes above this, then we can go for a long. That is right 8:30 here. It is 12:30 right now. 8:30. Oh, I'm looking at 30 minutes candle. That was sick, man. I was not supposed to look at the 30 minutes candle. The first thing in my models is the swipe of liquidity, then some other criteria to look for the. This is the breaker block. So here the market is in accumulation as well. Let's see if this trade works out as mass block. So what will be our RR if we enter here? Stop loss goes below, all the way below this candle, and we hit for the this order block. We get all the way up to 1 is to 12 RR. But the question is, will the market come down to this level? I think USD is a major pair, right? If someone is on the stream, tell me if USD is a major pair or not, because the spreads are quite low on this. So I believe this USD is a major pair. Let's add it. USD USD forex.com. So it's been a hell amount of time of waiting. We are about to close this 30 minutes candle in 2 minutes. USD JPY. I would love to hold the trust all the way up to this high sniper liquidity, as much as I can see the market accumulating orders and get $2,800 in profit. Has it broken out now? We do have another mass block here. Apart from this, we have this mass block as well. Should we enter here? This could be a breakout, but this is not according to our plans. Let's take one lot. Let's take one lot worth of. I don't want to risk it anything here. I really don't want to risk anything here right now. This is a mass block, but I still believe the lower one is the most probable mass block. Wait a minute, please. I will come just in few minutes.